Hello. Hi guys, we are on our way to a job in with Dean in Brighton. The guy's called to say he's got problems with his with a kitchen door, which is, I think it's a UPVC. Well, I know it's a UPVC door, I think, because I know it's a UPVC door, but I don't know what the problem is. He just said he's having trouble locking it. So it could be a number of things. It could be adjustments. It could be the cylinder, it could be the gearbox. So let's go and have a look. Oh, I meant to say, look at that. That is a pretty cool Christmas present from one of my stepchildren, and it's a flashing beacon, yeah, for when I'm doing some nighttime jobs. I don't have any flashing beacons fitted to the van, although I did buy some. I just never got around to fitting them. So this, I'm driving. I shouldn't do it when I'm driving. I'll do it when I stop. Yeah, it's a torch, but you can also have this amber lights that go around into patterns and stuff like that. It's really cool, and it's magnetic, as you can see. But you can just take it off, and I can put it on top of the van if you want. And my stepdaughter got me a new stick, selfie stick, which is a tripod, and it's extendable, and it's got a Bluetooth button that's removable. Brilliant, I love it. Right, we're nearly at this job actually. Where are we? Just here. Right, let's see what we got. Here we are, 62. Right, so I've just got to this job and took the handle off because he said there's a problem with the door kind of locking. The handle, one side was kind of just flopped down, and took the spindle out, and that's what I found. It's all twisted and bent and look at that. So let's see if I've got another spindle in one of these boxes here and replace it with that. But yeah, if you put them back together, they don't line up. Look at that. It's just how bizarre. Right, so out of all of these spindles, out of all of them, not one would fit in the handle. So what I've done, I've managed Superman strength to straighten this one out. So you can see it's all in line now. Perfect. Right, let's go and get it back on the door. Alright, that's this one done. Handles are lining up nicely. Right, the guy's just, so I fixed the handle. As you've just seen, got my tools all falling out here. Yeah, so I fixed the handle to the back door. But he's just shown me a window as well. He said, so this used to be tenanted. He owns the property, and they've come back and they haven't been here for a while, I don't think. The case almost right out the back. So he hasn't been here for a while, and he said the tenants have lost the key to a window and they can't open it. And whoops, I've just had a look, and the key's actually snapped in the window, so I'm going to extract that and see if I can. I've got a range of different keys for windows and that, so hopefully I'll have one that fits. If not, I can get him one ordered. Right, let's get that. There we go. That was the broken bit of key. Got a new key for the guy, so it's locked. And open. Lovely. Look at my dirty hands. Hello. I think that's going to light up the whole of the cab of the van when it's dark. I think that's going to look cool actually. You literally just, like I say, it's magnetic, so It's got different functions. You can have it different. It's pretty cool, that one. Little flicker. It's pretty cool. I think I'm going to keep it on that one. And then this is a torch as well. Pretty cool, isn't it? Magnetic's got a little hook. It's like I'm doing a review. Got like a little, you can hold it, you can hang it on something. Yeah, love it. Just thought it'd be really, really handy if I'm if I'm out at night and I can't park and I've had to double park or something like that, and you know, just it help people just to see that I'm there. Oh, I've got to go through. That's the only thing. You have to go through the whole thing to get it back to where you want it, and then press and hold it to turn it off. But no, brilliant, love it. I'll just stay up there. Lovely jubbly. Right, anyway, that's that job sorted. Yeah, he thought that there was an actual problem with the gearbox, he was saying. Technically there kind of is, only because his handles are unsprung, so there's no springs in the handles, and it's down to the gearbox to, you know, spring back the handles to the correct position, to horizontal. But his doesn't do that, it's just floppy. So, you know, I said to him, you know, and it is really old. The gearbox you can't change on that mechanism either, so you have to change the whole thing. So it's not got a removable gearbox. Yeah, and I said, honestly, you don't really want to be going through the cost of changing that just because your handles don't spring back. It's pointless. So yeah, we just straightened out the handle, we straightened out the spindle. Really small kind of spindle actually on there, like I showed you. All of my, I've got a few different thicknesses, but those ones were particularly skinny. It was on there. So yeah, anyway, straighten that out, got that done, and oh yeah, and then he asked me about the window, so yeah, nice little job. So I'm going back home now anyway. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, and I say it all the time, but if you don't subscribe, if you've watched this and don't subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Give the video a thumbs up, and any nice comments, put below. Right, thanks again, guys. See you soon.